Do you want to start your successful t-shirt business online? If yes, then you are in the right place. Welcome to this Teespring Build Your Successful T-shirt Business Online Masterclass course. Here I show you everything that you need to know to achieve success in this Teespring platform. I am Mashuk Sarkar Batista. I am the bestseller t-shirt designer on March by Amazon and Teespring, working in this Teespring platform for past 2 years and still now. For last 2 years, I have earned around $50,000 from Teespring and I am the instructor of this course. I already have published different types of video editing and design related courses in Udemy and thousands of students put 5-star reviews. Few months ago, I published 2 different t-shirt design courses with the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and these 2 courses are now the best-selling courses in the Udemy platform. In this Teespring t-shirt business course, I will teach you the every step of Teespring. I will talk about what the Teespring is, how to sign up for an account, also give you the brief overview of this Teespring platform. Niche selection is very important thing of t-shirt business, and in this course I will show you how to find profitable make money niche. And also in this course I will reveal my 100 plus profitable niche. T-shirt design section of this course we will do t-shirt designing with the powerful Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator software. Not only that, we also learn how to design super cool t-shirts with the online free tool and software. Then we upload our very first design and launch our Teespring campaign. Then we have learned how to create t-shirt inside in Teespring and launch a Teespring campaign less than 5 minutes. And of course, I will give the in details walkthrough of that. Then we will learn how to create beautiful storefront for our Teespring campaigns. Not only that, we also cover the free promotion ways to get more t-shirt sales. Also show you how to create amazing social media ads images for paid promotion and give you the step-by-step guideline to run Facebook ad campaign. And in our valuable resources section of this course, I will share my list of favorite sites where you will get free images, royalty-free icons, fonts, and so on. And this will help you to take your Teespring business into the next level. There is 30 days money back guarantee with this course, so there is no risk to enroll this course right now. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and start your own successful t-shirt business with Teespring. See you inside.